In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to suspend a tab in Zen Browser. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to pause a tab so it stops using system resources in the background, which can help your computer feel faster, keep the fan quieter, and extend battery life on a laptop. First, open Zen Browser as you normally would. Take a moment to identify the tab you want to pause. This is typically a page you don't need active right now but might return to later. Think a heavy dashboard, a long document preview, or a site that auto-refreshes even when you're not looking at it. Next, move your mouse to the tab you want to pause and right-click it. This opens a small menu with actions specific to that tab. In that menu, look for an option labeled Suspend tab, Unload tab, or Sleep tab. The exact wording can vary by version, but they all do the same essential thing. They put the tab to sleep so it stops running code, updating in the background, or consuming memory and CPU. If you don't see any of those options, that usually means your current build of Zen Browser doesn't include manual tab suspend, or the feature may be temporarily unavailable in your setup. Once you see the option, click it. The tab will stop running in the background. Depending on your theme and build, the tab might appear slightly dimmed or show a small indicator to signal it's suspended. Behind the scenes, this means background scripts pause, auto-refreshing pages stop updating, and network activity from that tab quiets down. It's a simple action that can make a noticeable difference if you have many tabs open or you're working on a device with limited memory. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Choose tabs that are safe to pause. Pages playing audio, streaming video, or running time-sensitive tasks will stop until the tab is active again. If you're filling out a form or composing a draft, save your work first to avoid losing changes on sites that don't autosave well. Some web apps, like email or chat clients, won't update while suspended, so keep at least one essential communication tab active if you rely on real-time messages. That's all there is to it. Open Zen Browser, right-click the tab you want to pause, look for Suspend tab, Unload tab, or Sleep tab, and click it to stop the tab from running in the background. Use this whenever your browser starts to feel heavy and enjoy a cleaner, faster workspace.